joining us today. I'm here to present Fitness Ventures, and I do ask you to please have a little bit of patience. I'm not really good at public speaking, but Fitness Ventures is a venue and a tool to onboard non-traditional blockchain users into the blockchain space by having them use blockchain technology for real-life activities. Specifically, in this specific application, it's for fitness clubs, as well as for people to join fitness clubs and have memberships and to get out and make new friends. So I will log into the interface. Or actually, I'll log into the interface, illustrate a couple of the capabilities, the Fitness Ventures application. The application consists of a team deployment tool, which is consists of a minter as well as governor and token contracts for a DAO, but also has a membership sign up where individuals can join a team, in this case, a fitness club or a sports team. So I'll demonstrate this functionality right now. And also, there's read and write functions to the actual contract. So just to really quickly go over this. So the maximum number of members for a beta team, this team is called beta team, is 30. The membership count is currently 1, and as well as the price here and the metadata of the contract. This is all right on chain, and I can update all this information, maximum number of team members, as well as the sale prices interface for admins. So I'm going to mint a NFT, which is basically joining this team, which is a DAO. So I'm going to choose a file. So I can upload a personal image. I'll do that now. And just as a backdrop, this is running on Polygon, but it's also a multi-chain app. I did deploy it to a few other chains. So this is a personal profile image that will appear on the minted membership certificate. And I'm going to put a little message here. Moledao 2022. So it's a customized message. And I'm going to open my console log so you can see some activity, what's going on. But and this interface here will update with information in terms of the token address, as well as the URL for the NFT. So now, and we should see a lot of activity in the next few seconds here. So join beta team. And great, so this is perfect. So the NFTs has already been generated here. And my MetaMask should be popping up soon to prompt me to pay. Great, perfect. So MetaMask has popped up. Everything's going as planned. I'm on a slower laptop here, so it might take a few seconds. And while MetaMask is loading up, I just want to provide some statistics here. So the fitness industry is outstanding rate. And just to bring up some here in the US, Planet Fitness is a huge, so the industry is strongly recovering from the badness of the pandemic. So things are turning around for the fitness industry. And in 2021, the overall revenues of the industry, not just gyms, but also health clubs, selling of sports equipment, home fitness gyms, was over 160 billion in sales for 2021. And while we're waiting, I'm also going to show you, I'll also show my, again for VS. So when the contracts are generated on the next phase, we'll see here that these contracts will be timestamped. So these are the main, what we call the DAO governance contracts here. It's the minter token contract, the governor, and the time lock. So when I start launching a new DAO, these will auto-populate. Well, let's get back. MetaMask is fully loaded, which is good. I'm going to minimize my screen here. Okay, so I'm going to accept this transaction now. Should be 4.01 Matic. And again, I'm on an off-east machine here, so appreciate your patience. Okay, perfect. So looks like it's come through. So I'm just going to confirm it. Okay. We get back down there and confirm it. Great. And actually, this process is pretty quickly. Once it's confirmed, it takes literally about 5 seconds. Okay, okay, accepted my confirm. And we should see here in the console log the activity of it starting to mine. Then it'll give a little message that its mining is complete. And also in the status window, it should update as well. So it says now minting, and we should see mining. This MetaMask has went away in the background. So great, it says mining and mine, perfect. Everything is done great. This is wonderful. It went through perfectly. And this is the status here. So this image URL is the actual NFT that's minted. And it should have this personal profile picture in the corner, allowing the member to customize their NFT or membership profile. And this is the token URI information, which is basically JSON metadata. So I'm going to open this. This is the big reveal here, looking at that NFT to see if it's actually minted and how it goes. So this is reading from IPFS, but it's using Pinata as the gateway. So this is work. So beta team ID, and that's the image I loaded. And if we go to the metadata, just for sake of time, I'll skip that, but I'll just open it up and get to see the message I put, which is Moledao 2022. I'm going to flip over to the next demonstration. I already pre-filled it for the sake of time. So I'm going to create a new team here, and I'm calling it Green Team. That's the symbol. It's green for the team. And also added the membership sale price, 0.01 Matic, as well as the maximum number of members for this team, as well as a message here as well. I'm going to actually launch this DAO, aka/team. And also I'm going to let you see the back end here. And I'll expand this a bit. Once it starts populating. But I'll also switch over to the code screen so we can see the contracts being generated. So I'm going to launch this right now. And I'm going to go over here to my code here. And we should see this start to populate and fill in. And I'm going to open this up here. So this is the Express server in the back end. And this is pretty much the folder back in here with the contracts. So great. So the Minter contract was generated. And this is a customized Minter contract. So there's a bash script that goes in and actually changes the actual name of the contract to match the name of the team name. And we should see some status updates here as well. So great, the governor contract was generated, and we're waiting now for the time lock controller. Okay, that was generated. So the bash scripts have run, they've updated, they generate those contracts. Now MetaMask will be compiling those contracts here. And again, this will take a good 20 seconds. This is a bit involved, so I can go in and discuss a little bit more market ideas in terms of what's going on in the market, as well as in terms of our plan for. I do have
hi Marcus,
partner.
Hi Marcus, you have to keep it very quick because we are almost running out of time and the final 35 seconds.
Okay, so this is still processing the back end. It takes about 30 seconds, but everything has been tested thoroughly. We have another team member to build it out further, including an NFT marketplace whereby members can buy and sell NFTs, as well as a payment gateway whereby we can issue payments and awards to members. So really appreciate everyone coming. And once everything's generated, status message here. But the backend is still running, so